What's up guys, and welcome back to TechPlant. Today I'm going to show you a new LED light from SGLED. Let's check it out. I noticed that this box also says SANSI on it, or SANSI, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And I've done reviews on their lights before, and this one is almost identical in construction, so I'm not sure if they just have like two sister companies or what it is, but I'm sure the quality of this light is going to be just as good as SANSI. Just looking at the packaging, it's quite nice. I mean, it's nice like colored cardboard. A lot of the lights I get, they come in just like plain cardboard box, but this one's branded well and it's packed pretty nicely. I mean, the light is held in there very securely. As far as the build quality, right off the bat, it feels just fine to me. I like it. It feels like other SANSI products where they have like the nice kind of plastic structure that keeps it nice and light, but yet it's pretty strong and stable feeling. This light has 7 LED modules on them. It looks like it's only like single LEDs, but there's a ton of LEDs actually underneath the little rings, so it's got a lot of output. The housing of the light is made out of plastic and it's got a lot of ventilation, so a lot of heat can escape, which is good, and that keeps it pretty light because this will be hanging in a traditional light socket, so you don't want anything too crazy heavy so it doesn't damage things. And just as I said earlier, the socket is E26, so it will fit in any sort of like lamp or even like overhead fixtures. I like to personally use kind of like the ones on a cord that you can hang somewhere. So let's get this thing screwed in, hooked up, and let's test it out. Right off the bat, turning it on, it is very bright. I mean, this outcompetes my video lights, which is good because it means it is nice and strong. Like always, I just try and show you the light pattern because to me, I think that's the most important part of a light, is knowing like where and how the light falls, because that'll give you an idea of like how you can use it in your space for growing plants. So this is how it falls. It's pretty centered, but still it spreads quite nicely. Here's some more footage where I really tighten down the exposure so everything's very dark. That way I don't blow out the highlights and you can get a better idea of where the light is going to fall and about how it looks. It's much brighter than this in real life. This is more of me using the camera to give you a better idea of how the light falls without seeing the highlights clipping. Here I'm just shining on a plant. Again, I have the exposure tightened down so it's much darker than it really is. This thing is very, very bright. But I just want to show you kind of how the light falls on the plants, and you can see it is kind of spotlight-ish, but if you get an array of these things, it will do wonderful. One more comparison just to show you, these are the lights down here that I use for most of my plants. They're not very high wattage, and again, I'm making them look darker than they really are just to show you the difference, but you can really see how much output this tiny light has. It really probably almost doubles the output that you see coming out of these bars, so I think this would work really great for lights. Again, if I were to buy these and set these up in mass, it would be great to have like 4 of them in like a 4 foot by 4 foot area. The thing I really like about this company and SANSI, which I think owns this company, is they don't lie about their wattage. This one says it's about 36 watts, and looking at the wattage measurer, it's about exactly what it is. So they're not giving you these like 200 watt, 1000 watt lies that all these other companies do, and they're telling the truth. Well guys, that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was quick, but I just like to showcase these random lights so you have an idea of what you're getting into when you order on Amazon. As always guys, may your plants grow strong and healthy, and I'll see you next time.